Hello everyone, my name is Tom Myers. I'm with ComedTech LLC, and I'd like to talk to you tonight about the Project Tango tablet and a couple of applications I've been working on with the Project Tango development kit. The Project Tango tablet is a tablet which takes a three-dimensional scan of the surrounding images. You can see the cameras on the back there, projects an infrared set of lights out, and then checks the location of those points as they interact with the surrounding surface. And then it calculates its depth and location from that. So it allows you to interact with the world around you through the tablet in a new way, or new sets of new ways. So I'm going to show a couple of different of those interactions tonight. First one is a game that I actually co-developed with my son Finley. He acted as the director and the main idea guy for the whole game. So this is called Game It for Project Tango. This is the story of this little UFO who is crying because he has lost his toys. So your goal is to walk around and collect those toys like that. As you move through the space, you can interact with the environment and see the toys as they fly around you. So as you walk through the space as well. You're not limited to touching the screen to interact with the device. You can now do it directly. So this allows for some interesting things, but it's obviously limited by the space of the room around it. But you can do some fun things like, here's a little troll guy who's on screen. We'll kneel down and see how he's doing today. There he is. Hey, how you doing, sir? We can also see off in the background, there's a couple of nice whales. We'll go back and take a peek at the whales. There they are. So you get the idea. We'll switch over and I will show another app that I've been working on, which is a different type of content, but very similar types of interaction. This is a solar system explorer, which is built with the same environment. So this is built in Unity 3D. It allows you to see the planet, Earth in this case, zoom in by moving the tablet again, looking at it, jump out, see other planets. Here's Mars. Neptune is around here somewhere. There's Neptune. And then additionally, you can interact by putting some three-dimensional objects in the space as well. So I'm inserting some rocks into the space which react to the rules that I've set up for this environment. So here we are by the sun. I jump over to Mercury. We'll zoom in and watch some rocks as they start orbiting around the sun. So again, kind of a fun and interesting way to explore the concept of gravity and explore the solar system as well, and learn some facts about the solar system as you work with it. So that's the second case. The third case is the one I've most recently been working on. And this is the idea of using the depth information while you're interacting with an environment to actually create a virtual world from that depth information. So if this is going to work for me, which it looks like it's going to crash, we'll try again. Guaranteed rules of demonstration. We'll relaunch it and give it a try. The Tango tablet is still the developer edition and is still a bit temperamental when it comes to some of the behavior. So here we are, interacting with the space around me. So it's mapping the walls, and interestingly, when I go up to the top, it will actually map the ceiling as well and show me the canopy of trees above us, as well as here's a pipe next to us. We'll go and look at the elevator door as well. And you'll see the door actually has a depth and is a carve out. The floor itself, as we look down at the floor, is actually made of rock. So it allows you to interact and move around the space in a very different way than you might have with a traditional tablet. And once you've done that mapping of the space, you could interact, and you could imagine having little monsters come out and run across the screen, or whatever that would be. Here we are interacting still. And the spatial coordinates that we used earlier in the other games are still available in this one. So once you've done a bit of a map, you can then go around and interact and play. So you could imagine a case where you scan your living room and then fight the zombie invasion or whatever that would be, battle the trolls. It can really generate some interesting types of interaction with the tablet that have really not been seen with the traditional mobile environment today, whether that would be a phone or what it would be. So I'm based in St. Paul here, been actively working on this since about the first week of December, having a great time doing it, and yeah, thank you for your time tonight.